Hello, hello. Good evening, Lakshita.
Good evening, teacher.
How are you, dear?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm also good, dear. Okay, please put on your video. Lakshita, I want to see you. Oh, Grace. Nice.
You.
Yes, good evening, Bhavesh.
Huh?
Good evening, Bhavesh. Bhavesh, that's another child, Bhavesh, who has joined. Yes, Bhavesh, is your audio working now? Yes, Bhavesh. Bhavesh, please unmute. Keep your videos on, Lakshita. Lakshita, please keep your video on. Yes, Bhavesh, you also put on your video. Okay, no one will put the videos off. Okay, no child will do that. You have to keep your videos on. Bhavesh, okay, Bhavesh could not unmute and neither I can see the video. Once again. Okay, Lakshita. So your class 5 results are out. Are you through with class 5 result? Please unmute. Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. Yes, now. Now tell me. Are your class results are out?
Okay.
from USA.
I'm from USA.
Okay. So you have cleared your class 5?
No.
Okay. Which class are you in then?
Class 5.
Class 5. You are in class 5 now. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So you have joined, this is the class 6 you have joined here.
Yes.
Okay. So, how will you prepare for your class 5 exams then?
Monthly.
Mm.
Yes, ma'am. They will take monthly. Monthly 2 months. One test they will take.
Okay.
It's not like in India. It's in a
Okay. So
different
every
way.
2 months they take the test.
Yes. Chapter wise, they will take complete the exam, ma'am.
Okay. So that's how you got her enrolled in class 6.
Yes.
Okay. And what about the syllabus and the course? Is it the same or the topic
Yeah.
same or?
Topics are same only, ma'am.
Okay, that's nice.
Mm.
Okay, I'm just
Actually, they
waiting
are
for a few more.
little bit backward compared to us. So
Okay.
that's why she joined in 6th grade.
Ma'am, you can come in front of the screen. I would like to see you.
Wait, ma'am. Just now we woke up. That's why I am not
Okay.
coming.
No worries,
For
ma'am.
this,
We are all
for
at
this,
home.
we are early. This is for early morning, ma'am, for us.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's
Hello.
the
Good
time
morning,
there
ma'am.
now? Good morning. So our side it's evening.
It's early morning, 7 o'clock, ma'am.
Okay.
Mhm.
Great.
So here syllabus is little bit backward. So that's why she joined in 6th grade.
Okay.
We moved just for 1 year back only.
Okay. Nice.
Like that.
That's nice. That's the facility, you're getting with the online education.
Yes,
Anywhere in the
thank you.
world, anywhere
That's
in
true,
the
ma'am.
world, you can, study from your Indian teachers.
Yes, that's true. That's
Uh,
correct.
in your own national language, whichever
Yes.
language.
Actually, she is preparing for a different school. That
Uh,
is very good school. For that, we need to write exam.
okay.
Then
Uh,
only we can get the seat. So that's why for that self, she is preparing for that. So she joined in the online class.
okay, that's very nice. That's a great
Okay.
idea, ma'am.
Thank you.
Surely she will get a seat there. Our Indian
Yes.
students are always bright.
Yes, thank you.
I'm just waiting for a few more children to join. Bhavesh. Hello, Bhavesh. Since today is the first class now, I'm just waiting for them to come in. We'll have some introduction. And
Okay.
then there is a child, Bhavesh, who's not able to connect to the audio.
Okay.
Hello, Bhavesh is there? Bhavesh? Can't hear you, beta. Put on your video. Okay, so ma'am, as you know, in India, we usually follow the NCRT books.
Yes.
And the basic books, and the books are very, very good. There is no
Yes.
doubt in that. The NCRT books, even the people who are preparing for, very higher level coachings, even they refer to NCRT books. So basically, we have NCRT book. Rest, every school have their own publisher. They are using their own publishing.
Okay.
So the topics, the content is almost the same everywhere. But the basic
Okay.
that we am holding in my hand is the NCRT based.
Yeah, can you
Okay?
tell me the NCERT? So I'm buying NCERT book only, ma'am. Is there
Uh,
any author name particularly? They will send me through courier. My parents will send
NCRT,
me through
just say
courier.
NCRTs. There is no
Just
author. Just
NCERT.
NCRT.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, fine.
You can have
Okay.
it online also. Just
Okay.
Google it, you will get each and every chapter content.
Yes, I have seen, but book is different, online is different.
No, it's nothing different. You get
No,
the same thing. Huh.
by doing sums, when we hold book, that is will be different, and seeing on
The feeling is different when you hold
that
the book
feeling
in
will
your
be
hand.
different.
Yes,
Ah,
yes. The
so
feeling is,
that's hmm.
yes.
So they said they will buy from there and they will get it.
Huh. That you can
How
get.
much it will cost, ma'am? Any
It's
idea?
not expensive. NCRT books are cheap. Maybe 100,
Oh,
150 nowadays, I think so.
okay,
Uh,
ma'am. Okay. Mhm.
Indian rupees.
Okay.
Huh.
So how will be the ma'am daily you will give homework or what?
Yes,
But
every time whenever you have a class,
hmm,
the child will be given homework. Okay,
okay.
and it will be posted in the resource section of the WISE app. You must have
Mm-hmm.
downloaded the WISE app. In the
Mm-hmm.
resource section, you will get the homework. Okay,
Okay.
whatever homework I am giving you in the WhatsApp, even if the homework is written homework is not there, I'll be giving some work to do, so that
Okay.
children revise whatever has been done during the
Mm-hmm.
class.
Okay.
So in the WhatsApp group also, I'll be posting what work was done during the class and the homework has been uploaded. I'll mention
Mm.
all that. So you can go and check in the resource section. And
Okay.
the students will be having weekly test,
Mm-hmm.
alternately subjective test, objective test. Now, since today is a Friday, so they
Mm.
just have 2 days now in between, no? Friday, and Saturday.
Yes.
So
Mm.
this weekend they won't have any test.
Okay.
From next weekend, these children will have a weekly test. Whatever
Okay.
prepared in the past classes, past
Mm.
week, on
Mm.
that topic, you will have your topic will be given prior. Okay,
Okay.
so you will have subjective, once you will have subjective and once you will have objective. So
Okay.
the child has subjective one, the child has to do on a notebook, click the
Mm.
pictures, make a
Mm.
PDF and post it. Okay,
Okay. Mm.
on the same wherever in the assessment you will be getting the subjective test. So
Mm.
there itself you have to post it.
Okay.
And the objective one, you just have to click on the objective answers, the
Mm.
correct answer,
Mm.
and no posting in that. So that's just the acceptance of the question answer.
Even homework we need to post, ma'am.
Um, we are planning the homework is actually basically for the practice of the students.
Okay. If
Huh.
they have any doubts, you will clarify that.
Huh. Yes,
Oh,
ma'am. That will be clarified in the class. And normally discuss the homework questions in the class also, because if the child has faced any difficulty in doing any homework or anything. And
mhm.
normally what personally I do is if even if the subjective test is given, I discuss that in the class also after the time
Okay,
of
fine.
the work. So you'll have
Mm-hmm.
24 hours time.
Mm-hmm.
Saturday evening, it will be live till
Mm.
Sunday, 5 to 5.
Okay.
5.
So you are telling weekly test. After completion of one chapter, again we will take test.
After completion of, for every chapter, you'll have a test. Then we'll move on to next chapter and we'll be revising. We'll have
Okay.
the revision part.
Okay, fine.
As
Mm-hmm.
we move on ahead with the course, you will be
Mm.
having revision later on.
Okay, ma'am. Mm-hmm.
But
So
for,
total completion of course is for 1 year, right, ma'am?
yes, ma'am.
The completion of course will be 1 year.
Completion of we need to complete it before the year, because we do revisions also.
Again, we
Last
need
time we
to.
had done 2, 3 revisions we had done.
Okay, fine,
In
understood.
March, the syllabus was complete by October, and
Mm-hmm.
we started with the revisions then.
Oh, by October you will complete the.
Yes, and then we started with the revisions. See, child has to be regular.
Okay, fine.
Huh. I don't say
Mm.
that the child has to be bright. If the child is regular, the child
Mm.
is going to gain maximum of the class.
Okay,
Whatever
fine.
is going
Okay,
on.
understood,
The
ma'am.
regularity actually, it holds good.
Anything recording classes also will be there if any
Yes,
time we missed.
recordings are done. Yes, recordings are done. You can go through
Mm.
the recordings. If in case
Okay.
for some reason you missed the class. So
Yes,
you can
yes.
get back to the recording and you can see.
Okay, fine, ma'am.
And
Thank you.
whatever
Thank you.
your doubts are, you can ask during the class.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay, so today only Lakshita is there. I think Bhavesh is not able to connect to the audio today. So anyways, let's not waste Lakshita's time. Lakshita has come, so she should gain something from the class,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
sure. So, Jai Shri Ganesh. भगवान का नाम
जय
लेके
श्री
शुरू करें. जय श्री गणेश आए.
जय श्री गणेश.
Yes, great. Chalo. So, Lakshita, see, whenever we study maths, the first thing that we study in maths is about numbers. है ना?
Yeah.
You know, when you were small kids, when you first went to school, in maths you studied about numbers. Your teacher started teaching you 1, 2, 3, writing of 1, 2, 3, speaking of 1, 2, 3, is it? And when you
Yes.
studied English, the teacher started teaching you A, B, C, D, writing and speaking. Is that?
Yes.
Recognition of alphabets, recognition of numbers in maths. है ना? So maths is all about numbers. So when we talk about numbers, the very first thing I ask you, what are natural numbers? Do you have any idea of natural numbers? What are natural numbers?
One, wait, 0,
Karo, natural number same.
One. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes, great. Natural numbers means that comes naturally to us. है ना? When we are teaching a small baby, हम हमेशा उसको 1, 2, 3, we say like this. Do we tell him 1 by 2, 3 by 4? Do we teach like this to the small baby? We don't, no? So we
No.
just say 1, 2, 3. So that is something which is coming naturally out of us. So we have given the name natural numbers. Okay? And what about whole numbers? What are whole numbers? Have you heard about it?
0, 1, 2, 3, 4,
Yes,
5.
absolutely. Whole numbers are those numbers which start from 0. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3. It includes all natural numbers and one more number, that is 0. Right? Good. Please. One second. Bhavesh is. One second, beta. Bhavesh is trying to connect to audio. Ma'am, have you given permission? Okay. Okay. Bhavesh is actually trying to unmute, but he's stuck somewhere. Okay, Lakshita, let's continue. Bhavesh is trying best from his side, but somehow he is having some problem. Okay. So we were talking about whole numbers, right? Whole numbers include 0. Okay. Now, see, when we talk about one-digit numbers are ranging from 1 to 9. Is it? You can take 0.
Yeah.
For whole numbers, you can take 0. So 0 to 9. Okay. When we speak of two-digit numbers, that starts from 10. The smallest
10.
two-digit number is 10. The highest two-digit number is which one?
99.
99. Smallest three-digit number is
100.
100. Greatest three-digit number is
999.
999. So that's how the numbers keep on increasing, is it? From one digit to two digit. And how does it increase? That means we have the place values for them,
Yes.
is it? The one-digit number will have the place value as the units place. Okay.
Yes.
Units place. Then units place also we say, and we say ones place also. And then if you have two-digit number, then the other number will be at the tens place. Now suppose if I am writing a number 21, now my 1 will be at the units place and 2 will be at the tens place. Is that? And
Yes. Yes.
yes. Okay. And as we keep on increasing the place values from hundreds place, then thousands place, then 10,000s place, and so on, we keep on getting larger and larger and larger numbers. Is that? So
Yes.
this chapter is all about, you will be studying knowing our numbers. The first chapter is knowing our numbers. We need to know the numbers. Numbers can be large, numbers can be small. See, we have studied about addition and subtraction of small numbers in our junior classes. Now we will be studying addition and subtraction of large numbers. Okay. First, making of large number, writing of large numbers, and then how do we read that large number? Suppose if you have some 7-8 digit number, how do you read that? Okay. This many crores, this many lakhs, this many thousands, and this and all that. No? So that is reading it in words, writing in figures, then comparing numbers. Okay, we compare the numbers, which if you have some 7-digit number and you have some 8-digit number, how do you compare them? Okay, the greater place value. And suppose if you have the same number of digits, how do you compare the numbers? Okay, are you understanding? Okay.
Yes.
So this is, I'm just giving you a nutshell what we will be studying in this chapter initially. Okay. So
Okay.
comparing the numbers, then how do you read the numbers in Indian system as well as in international system also? Okay.
Okay.
International system means in outer countries, in foreign countries, how do you read a number? In India, we have Indian system of numeration. Okay, we read the number in lakhs and crores, but in international system, you read the numbers in millions and billions, like that. Okay, so we will be doing that also. Then you have expanded form of numbers. Expanded form of numbers means if you have a number in the particular place value, so how many zeros it will have. If you need to write 1 lakh, how will you write? How many zeros will it have? Okay, so we will be doing that also. Then we have some word problems. Right. Okay, so this is all about that we will be doing in this chapter. Right? So
Yes.
for today, I think the class time is over now. So we must formally start the chapter tomorrow. And you must have your notebook. Okay, you must be ready with your notebook and pen pencil. Right?
Okay.
And every day of today your class was from 4:30 to 5:10. Okay. So
Okay.
as per the timetable, we'll see if you have class tomorrow. Right? Okay.
No. Oh,
Okay.
I don't have class tomorrow.
You don't have class tomorrow. Okay, never mind. So whenever we meet next, we'll start with the chapter knowing about our numbers. Right?
Okay. Yes,
Thank you
ma'am.
for today. Thank you for
Ma'am,
today.
will you provide any material, ma'am? Apart
Yes,
from NCERT book?
ma'am, whatever we will be providing the chapter notes also.
Okay, fine, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Yes, that's uploaded. You
Mm.
will get it soon.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Right.
Thank
So
you, ma'am.
thank you for today, ma'am.